Hello guys, this is Baron. As you know, my last video was on fidget spinners. Today I'm going to be timing some fidget spinners. I'm going to start with this one. I have my mom's phone right here. I'm going to do it on the table and see how long it was, and I'm going to do it in my hand and see how long it is. 3, 2, 1. Now let's see how long it'll go. Well, that's going. I played around a little bit more with the fidget spinner. I think it'll get better with some L2 100 or whatever it's called. So stay tuned to see this thing actually be good. It is at a solid 30 seconds now. Still going kind of strong. Be sure to check out any of some of my other videos, because I've got lots of other videos and some of them are good. And be sure to smash the like and subscribe button, because if you want to press notifications, because I may be doing a giveaway soon if this video can get to 100 likes. At 1 minute now, it's kind of not going as fast now. I bet it can last probably for 2 minutes and then stop. If you hear a little background noise, there's a fish. I have a fish tank. It's literally got practically nothing in it. It's not that good anymore. So, oops. It's about to go off, and it's at 1:30. So, tick tock, tick tock. It's about to stop. It's about to stop. Okay, stop. It's at 1. Oh, you can't see that, but it says 1 minute 56 seconds and 17.17. So now I'm gonna be doing Batman one, which I don't feel too confident on, and then I'm gonna do 2 more every video. So right now I'm gonna do the Batman one in 3, 2, 1. Now we just watch and let the magic happen. Okay, it's at 10 seconds and it stopped. I think I'm gonna retry that one, because I don't know. Maybe I'll try my hand. Okay, this thing is dying, and it's dead at 10 seconds. Guys, this is all to today. Hopefully by the next time I see you guys, this one will be fixed. Bye guys, see you next time.